Here's how to use a CapCut template for TikTok. If you're on TikTok and you see a video that is using a great template, or you just want to be able to find one for your video and start making it and editing it, I'll show you how to do that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the TikTok app here. And on here, the easiest way to navigate to various templates is one, you can just keep swiping through all the videos to see if any of these pop up with the template option at the very bottom left. But if they don't show up, or if you're not on a video already, you can always tap on the magnifying glass at the top right to search, and we'll search for CapCut templates. Now, this will pop up with a variety of different videos. Now, on these videos, if you open them up, you'll know that it has a template link to it because at the bottom left, it says CapCut, try this template. And you can just tap on it and then hit use template in CapCut. Now, if you don't already, it'll ask you to download and install the CapCut app so that you can use this template directly in CapCut, which is also made by the same creators as TikTok. And you can hit use template. And now it'll ask you, let's see how many, lots of different videos here or photos. It's up to 43 photos and videos. But let's just get out of here and you can go through this process within the TikTok to find those templates, but you can also do that directly in CapCut. So if you open up the CapCut app, you'll be able to find templates in here as well. You can see at the bottom left is templates. So I can tap on that and it'll automatically bring me to a bunch of different ones. So you can see I can scroll over and have different ones. Let's say I want to find one that is trending. So a trending template here, you can see this one that called I Love or Autumn Cinematic. Let's choose this one. So you'll be able to see, I can see essentially what it looks like. It has a cool car and a road. It has a number of different shots that it kind of pans from one to the other. And I'm going to hit use template. Again, on here, I can choose photos or videos on here and add a few of these. So let's add a few photos and hit next. And it will automatically apply this template directly to these photos and videos that I have added on here. So whenever you're ready, you can hit the save button and you can save this onto CapCut, or you can export it and share it directly on TikTok to all of your followers. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.